Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54013 error in Oracle Database 12c. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. So here I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#escort. Okay. So now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table called marks. Okay. So marks contain max of number data type, physics of number data type, max column, physics column, comma total. Okay, total as max plus physics. So it's a sum of max plus physics. Okay, so table is created successfully. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert the values. So I am trying to insert all the values. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay, you can see that ORA-54013 insert operation disallowed on virtual columns. Insert operation disallowed on virtual columns. So you cannot insert the values directly on the virtual columns. It should be automatically calculated and printed. Okay, see here I am correcting the insert query. I am inserting values only for max and physics. Now let me select the marks table. You can see that total is calculated automatically. You no need to insert manually. So that is the feature of expression column, that is virtual columns. Okay, that is the feature of virtual columns.